Alright, Dina.
Alright.
It's going.
Wicked. We've come to Stoke-on-Trent to meet Dalia, who is a powerlifter, and she's a Muslim one, in a hijab at that, so I find that fascinating. I've actually met Dalia, I think, twice before. She's a friend of a friend's, and she's really cool. A lot of the reason us ladies, Muslim ladies, don't go to the gyms because they don't know what the hell to wear. Because you want to be comfortable, you want to work out, but you want to be modest. Do you get me? So f***ing intimidating.
Yeah, definitely.
Even for you, Giles, isn't it? Look, you should show Giles on camera. Even for Giles, that is intimidating. He is a regular white man. So just tell me a bit about yourself. Like,
I'm 25. I'm half Lebanese and half Syrian. My dad's from Lebanon and I was born in the UK. I'm a British Muslim.
how did you get into powerlifting? I still don't even know.
So while I was at uni, I made a New Year's resolution, 2011.
Oh my God, you're a New Year's resolution person.
I am. I'm a New Year's resolutioner. I'm a January gym joiner. A friend of mine told me that they were starting weightlifting classes at the gym. We had like a coach who was a former Iranian Olympic lifter. That coach really inspired me as well because he was like, wow, you're like a Muslim female with hijab and you're going to be like lifting and weightlifting and going to be doing competitions. He really pushed me into doing competitions as well. So he's like really behind me. My mum's a very strong woman. She always gave me like a lot of responsibility from a young age. She kind of built up my character.
Yeah.
So
basically,
like,
from the beginning, you don't take shit from nobody.
Yeah, you can't compare yourself to men because their anatomy is completely different. And like, I'll never ever be like a man, like in my physique or my strength or anything. Yeah. And there was no females to compare myself to, so it was good.
So you were like the boss of.
I was setting the benchmark, really.
Yeah.
When I first started in powerlifting, they didn't even have a rule what like a modest outfit would be for lifting because there's a lot of regulations around what you can and can't wear. I got in touch with them and emailed them and they said like it's fine as long as you like wear the rest of the kit kind of like over the top of whatever you want to wear underneath. When you're like doing these competitions, it's all about how much you can lift. Yeah. No one cares about what you look like, you know, what makeup you're wearing, what makeup you're not wearing. Yeah. Like, it's just like, here's the weight, can you lift it? And if you can, then that's bloody good.
So a lot of people will be like, what's the point if you've got to cover up your body anyway?
Well, that is the very point. Like, why? Why do you need to be on display? Let people wonder what's underneath. Like,
it's more mysterious.
Exactly. I think we're in an age where it's really easy to take your clothes off if you want to. It's way too easy.
It's the easier thing to do, maybe.
Yeah, it's just like, oh, I want popularity. Oh, it'll show a bit of skin.
It's only fair. He's making me do it. It's only fair he does it as well. This guy over here, Joel, probably never encountered a Muslim lady in hijab before.
Oh, really?
Hugged me on greeting. It was the most awkward thing ever because I had to comply, not to be rude. I had to
Like wearing a headscarf is not easy. It's
It's lovely, but it's bloody hot.
Everyone will know.
Yeah.
And especially like in an area where there's not so many Muslims, like you stand out for sure.
Yeah.
It was difficult and I had like those moments where I was like, I don't want to wear it anymore and all this, And like, so I lost a lot of self-confidence. Yeah. And then I felt like the gym gave me that back because I was like, well, and what if you're looking? Like, you know, can you go and bench 60 kilos at the gym?
Yeah, like when we were at the gym, you literally are like in your element. You've had a really positive experience, like on this powerlifting journey so far.
Yeah, mostly. Yeah, I guess there's one incident which
I
happened to qualify for an international competition. I was just about to go out and do my first squat attempt because you start with squats. One of the kind of presidents of the the federation like marches over and it's like, you can't lift. And I was like, what? I said, like, I don't wear this for fun. Like, this is a religious thing.
Yeah.
And he was like, no, I won't have it. Literally, I like burst into tears.
Did you?
Yeah, because I was like on my last nerve. Everyone who was there, who was also lifting or not lifting or supporting, they were like so supportive. The man in question did come over and apologise afterwards. He said he didn't realise it was for a religious...
Like, imagine even if it wasn't for religious reasons, like what's the big deal if you're more covered anyway?
I did go on to break the deadlift world record.
Really?
For my age and weight. So I was
sick.
like, if anything, that is my win.
Should we have an arm wrestle?
Oh my God.
Are you going to kill me off?
For my credibility,
Can you just help me out here and just make me look good?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You're doing nothing, aren't you? You're literally doing nothing, aren't you? You're literally doing nothing, aren't you? And I'm putting my all in right here.
I'm just pushing you back.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, kill me off. Just kill me off. Oh. I stopped doing sports and stuff when I was young because I put the scarf on and I felt like I looked like an idiot.
Really?
I just felt stupid, man. But I felt like if you look cool in your gear and stuff, then you already, because let's face it, if you look good, you feel good and then you're confident, right?
Of course.
Fashion Week starts tomorrow. That is the fashion statement. Yo, I'm going to buy one. What would you say to like any girls who might be like thinking about it but just can't take that first step that you need to start? Do you know what I mean?
I'd just say, maybe if you feel intimidated, take a friend. You can have a laugh. At least like if you make a complete fool of yourself, you've got someone to laugh with. Yeah,
I only stepped into there today because I knew you were going to be there. I feel like just watching you is going to push a lot of girls to just start the gym.
I hope so.
Just the gym in general.
Yeah.
Like, never mind powerlifting for now.
Yeah, or a sport, like whatever.
Yeah, just
find
like
something that you really, really enjoy. Like you might not find it first time. Go to like, and the great thing is you get to meet people.
You know what? I'm really impressed.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's been really good to watch you and hear like a really positive experience, especially with something like that is so different. Thanks, Dahlia.
Thank you.
So what do you think of Dahlia?
Dahlia has a very, very positive experience and very positive story. And it's nice to hear that. She's very headstrong, you know what I mean? She has a very positive outlook on life, even if she experiences something quite negative. I think if you're generally positive, you overlook a lot of the negative things that might happen to you. Because you just generally don't have time for in your life.
High five.
That's haram. You know what haram means?
Haram.
Haram means forbidden.
High fives.
I'm not allowed to touch a man, innit? Come on, Giles, what were we talking about earlier? Yeah, it's a joke, relax. I'm really confusing these white men.
How's it going?
You always start up. You really want to know? I'm knackered.
Did you have a good journey over here though?
Yeah, it was alright, because Joel was keeping me entertained for 2 hours. Oh yeah, guys, we're in Berlin. We're going to meet Emmy. She's like a bloody, really well-known Berlin hip-hop dancer who's won billions of competitions, and now she teaches dance. And that is crazy and so exciting.
So you can have a go at the dancing?
Yeah, but I'm probably going to be a bit awkward because, like, growing up, I was always told, like, don't dance in front of people because, like, that's immodest. Yeah, this is why I told you this girl's cool, because she's doing something different. So I want to see her perspective.
Cool. Let's go and meet her.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, Giles.
Hey, guys.
Shall I knock? Shall I just walk in? Oh, hi! How are you? Oh, should we hug over the counter?
So this is my dance school.
Perfect for selfies.
Here, everything is happening.
By the way, just so you know, I can't dance. Just for your information.
Everybody can dance. I'm the first hijabi teacher in Europe.
Yeah, I don't know any.
Yeah. So let me show you first.
Yeah.
Kind of hip hop music.
Okay, yeah.
So you can get the feeling how you can vibe to the music. I start with music like this, like really groovy.
I don't want to get too like. When was the last time you had a battle then?
The last time was 1 week ago before I decided to wear my hijab.
So when you wore your hijab, did you decide to stop?
Yeah.
Because of wearing the hijab?
Yeah.
Why?
Because for me it doesn't make sense because my style is really
provocative.
Yeah. So when I dance against a man, I was acting like so.
You were in his face.
You know? Yeah, yeah. And I think it doesn't make sense. If you have hijab, you want to cover up some. For me, it's more harder to talk about my faith and my hijab in our own community, as if you talk with a non-Muslim.
Yeah, man. So many people say to me, "Well, you're so haram, Dina. You are haram, literally. Dina, you as a person."